that a lot of road?
Did they kick his arm off?
Yep.
No way.
Good thing I got off beforehand. Good thing I got out beforehand. I'm just getting this moment on video.
Screaming. I was just
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Trying to get a little humor in this.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let the next train pass. I'm just taking video of this moment on the T.
Good.
Yeah, I'll throw it up on my YouTube channel tomorrow.
Yeah, somebody up.
Oh yeah, I like trains, taking videos of. Yeah,
Sorry, man.
that's all right. And then I have my video camera with me.
There's no need to have a conversation about something like this right now.
Yeah, well, who cares, honey? Don't listen. You know what I mean?
You're kind of loud.
Who cares? Really? Do you think you're a Japanese prince, Chinese princess? Get the hell out of here. Get on the T, let it run you over. Shut up. You're not the only one on the T here. And God forbid somebody switches on you. God forbid we conversation with this girl.
Attention red line passengers. We are experiencing moderate delays in southbound service due to a disabled train at Central Square Station.
This train is going out of service. I'm always Wednesday. Those Tuesdays, 25th day of March of 14.